I'm a mom of 2, and I need a fast, everyday makeup that looks natural and feels good. Hey everyone, I'm Bekah. Thanks for visiting my channel, and thanks to those that are coming back. I've been on the hunt for good everyday makeup products that I can apply fast and look natural. After just having our second child and finally being able to get out more, I would like to put a little bit more effort into my everyday routine, but it needs to be something sustainable. I've tried a few different brands and I think I've nailed down a new everyday routine. I just made a short where I actually timed myself doing this routine and it took me 5 minutes and 40 seconds. I'll link it below if you don't believe me, but today I want to dive a little deeper into the products I used, what I like, what I don't like, and the cost. I'm not getting paid to say any of this, and I bought all of these products with my own money. This is the finished product. Now let's get to the application. First, I prep my face with a gentle moisturizing cleanser from CeraVe. It's $15 and moisturized with a custom Function of Beauty moisturizer. I'm trying out. That thing was $50 and I probably won't be getting it again because I'm not that impressed. Then I'm trying and loving the Tower 28 Tinted Sunscreen Foundation. I have it in the shade Melrose. This is $30 and it's awesome. It went viral on TikTok and then went out of stock for a while. And now it's back and I can see why everyone is loving it. It is so lightweight. It has 30 SPF and the coverage is surprisingly good. I have a lot of redness and I'm like overly obsessed with trying to even out my skin tone. And I love how this product works. It's also glowy and feels really nice on my skin. I also struggle with eczema after having a baby. And I just saw on their Instagram it's the only complexion product to earn the seal of acceptance from the eczema experts. That's pretty cool. Just a little bit more just around my problem areas. It's so nice. And for $30, this is like amazing. Okay, so next I'm using the Jones Road Miracle Balm in Sunkissed and it's $38. When you get this product, you have to break the seal in order for it to activate the color. I like to use this as a bronzer for a nice sun-kissed look. It's taken me like a few tries to really feel like I know this product. It's really unlike any other product I've ever used. It also feels almost like a lightweight Vaseline. So I feel like if you're someone that has like really oily skin, I don't think you're gonna like this product. But if you have dry skin like mine, I think you'll like it. It just might take you a little while to get used to it, but I love that glow, that sun-kissed glow. Come on, glow. Can I get an amen for the glow? One thing I don't love about this product is that I feel like my hair gets stuck to it throughout the day. So I'm still playing around with how much to actually use. Next, I go in with the Jones Road Face Pencil in shade number 2. It's $25. I like to do my under eyes just to brighten them up a little bit. Around my nose, down by my chin. And then I'll spot treat any blemishes or redness that I have, which is like my eczema spots, even though you're not supposed to put makeup on eczema. It's hard. I love this product because it's quick and velvety. I've used my fingers to blend this in when I first got it, but I have been using a wet sponge to blend because I feel like it works better. I still can't decide if I like it enough to buy it again, but I'm willing to continue to use it until it's gone. So then once I get it blended, I just go back in and spot. I wouldn't say this has a lot of coverage, but I like it because it's so fast. Then I've been using the Jones Road Beauty Miracle Balm in Flushed for $38 as my blush. Again, the pigment is really nice and the shade is really natural, and I can also use it on my lips. Next are my brows, and sometimes I skip this step if I'm not in the mood because I have voluminous eyebrows already. Don't hate me. Sometimes they get out of control. Right now I'm using the e.l.f. Wow Brow in Natural Brown. And it's only $5. Who doesn't love a good cheap makeup? Then I do my lash primer. I love lash primers. I feel like my cheap mascara works better with a lash primer, and I think it helps my lashes stay protected and grow better. I'm not sure if that's true, but I think it is, so it's definitely true. I'm currently using the Lancome Lash Primer for $28. I've used the Jane Iredale one before, and I think I might like that one better, but I'll use this one up for now. And my mascara is the Maybelline Colossal in the shade Black for $9. I've used this forever and I still like it. I might be trying the Jones Road mascara next, but it was out of stock, so I'll just have to wait till it comes back. And then to finish it off, I used the Morphe setting spray for $15. I like the dewy look it gives. It has a nice mist and it helps my makeup stay longer. Win, win, win. In total, this look takes me just over 5 minutes and cost me $188. Okay, so $188 does sound like a lot of money, but just like high quality hair products, high quality makeup products usually give you the look that you want. It just comes with a little bit higher of a price tag. I'm not sure I'll keep this exact routine forever. I wish it would last longer during the day, but I'm not using a setting powder, so it's hard to expect it to last all day. Maybe I'll add a setting powder in the future, but I don't know yet. This is just so fast and natural looking. Let me know what you think, and if you like the look, leave all of your questions below. As always, thanks for watching. Here are 2 more videos you can watch. Don't forget to subscribe right here. Ring the bell for all my new videos and leave a like on your way out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.